Hose, the space-saving retractable hose system, solves the problem of storing a central vacuum hose. Pull out as much hose needed to clean, attach the cleaning tool, then begin vacuuming. When you're done, the hose retracts automatically and out of sight using your central vacuum system suction. So no more dragging a bulky hose up and down stairs or trying to fit the hose in your closet. Recommended by leading central vacuum cleaner power unit manufacturers, Hose is an innovative, convenient, and simple product that makes vacuuming fast and easy.